Welcome to Product Critique, where we take an in-depth look at the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Crest Plus Scope Whitening Toothpaste, the ultimate choice for keeping your smile bright and your breath fresh. If you're looking for a toothpaste that not only whitens but also fights cavities, tartar, and bad breath, then this product is definitely worth considering. This toothpaste comes in a pack of 3 5.4-ounce tubes, offering great value for those who want to stock up. Crest, a trusted name in oral care, combines its powerful whitening formula with the breath-freshening capabilities of Scope, ensuring you get a minty clean feeling after every use. But it's not just about fresh breath. This toothpaste does much more. It contains fluoride, which helps to strengthen your enamel, fighting cavities and protecting against the buildup of tartar. Plus, it's enamel safe, so you don't have to worry about it being too harsh on your teeth. One of the key benefits of the Crest Plus Scope Whitening Toothpaste is its ability to gently remove surface stains, giving your teeth a whiter appearance over time. It's an ideal option for those who want to maintain a bright smile without the need for intense whitening treatments. And because it kills millions of bad breath germs, it leaves you with fresh breath that lasts throughout the day. This toothpaste isn't just effective, it's also incredibly easy to use. Simply apply a small amount to your toothbrush, brush for 2 minutes, and enjoy the results. Whether you're tackling everyday plaque buildup or just looking for that fresh, clean feeling, Crest Plus Scope has you covered. In summary, the Crest Plus Scope Whitening Toothpaste is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining their oral health. With its combination of cavity-fighting fluoride, tartar protection, enamel strength, and whitening power, this toothpaste delivers an all-in-one solution that you can trust. So, if you're looking to keep your teeth healthy, white, and your breath fresh, this product should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.